This is a 1986 Ford F-150 4x2, light blue color. This harkens back to the day when pickup trucks were all about business, and it was a comfortable ride too, but not anything really fancy. This one has white walls and hubcaps. It appears to be very low mileage, and also has air conditioning, I believe. Yes. And a modern tuner. Very nice upholstery. And here's some documentation here. You can see the odometer reading at 28,000 miles. And it has manual transmission. Which I would say would be pretty unusual for a truck of this year. Nice clean load bed. This is really a pretty truck, and it's still utilitarian. You wouldn't mind carrying a load of mulch or something in the back. You're afraid you're scarring the bed. Looks like it has a treatment that essentially makes the load bed scratch proof. A practical truck that's nice looking. And I would say it probably didn't cost an arm and a leg either. Compare that to the trucks of today.